Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Caca Rafat. I'm from class 91A07. My name is 90 to 240920. Addendum number 18 in the information system. Today I want to share my thoughts on our new president Prabowo. While Prabowo was is military background is strong, while Prabowo is military background is strong. Many people had doubts about him, largely due to his age and his running mate Gibran. Some question his campaign status, include his tension at rallies, and there were conscious about campaign funding source. Many also believe that the election result might not have been entirely fair, as the margin was unusually large. However, opinion started to after inaugu- his inauguration. His inauguration, as soon as he took office, he definished his decisive leader was clear. Early in the morning after inauguration, he held an unannounced grill ceremony assembly to set the tone for his domination. In his first age, he began appointing ministers and older government officials, which unexpected level on definitions and military style precision. Prabowo, firm leader, surprising many, as he did not hesitate to dismiss officials who were not performing up his standard. His commitment, efficient govern, government quickly because evident. Conclusion. In conclusion, uh, while there we were doubts uh, at first about su- suitability due to his age, labor, and military past, Prabowo has shown that he is uh, ready to lead with a strong hand. Dej Despi Intial first 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 that he might bring back aspect of Suharto era. Acti, his action his action have indeed shown a commitment to the people, just as Gustur or Abdurrahman Wahid had once once predicted. Even though Prabowo once critic criticisms, Gustur believed that Prabowo was generally detected to people. Gustur had even predicted that Prabowo would someday become president is later year. Facebook criticism and admiration. Now is Sam working fulfill that role. Let's hope can thoroughly lead our nation toward progress. Thank you. See you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Casyara Arafat dari Prodi Sistem Informasi. Saya itu kelas pagi dan kelas saya itu 191A 07, NIM-nya itu 19 kemudian absensi saya 18. Oke, lanjut di dalam video ini. Oke, saya udah tag. Oke, lanjut aja dalam video ini. Saya ingin mempresentasikan tentang the question word understanding in the using question word English in English. Okay, introducing what are question word help us get specific information and are using to start question. Okay. Apa itu question? Itu memperjelaskan definisi dasar dari word, yaitu kata-kata yang digunakan memulai pertanyaan, mengumpulkan informasi yang spesifik. Why are question word important? Question word are essential for communication, allow us get information, clarify detail, engage in meaningful conversation. Oke. Pentingnya question dalam komunikasi seperti mengumpulkan informasi, memperjelas detail, dan membangun percakapan yang bermakna. List question word. Common question word. Other primary question were are who, what, where, when, why, who. Memberikan kata-kata yang tanya utama adalah who, what, where, when, why, who. Ini adalah dasar dari banyak pertanyaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Understanding who is used as about people. Digunakan untuk mempertanyakan tentang orang. Example, who is your favorite teacher? Siapa guru favorit kamu? Misalkan seperti itu. Oke, example of who. Example of who itu who is live here, who can help us. Siapa yang tinggal di sini? Siapa yang bisa menolong dia? Memberikan contoh-contoh praksis dari pertanyaan yang menggunakan who untuk memperkuat pemahaman. Ya seperti ini. Siapa yang tinggal di sini? Ya berarti kita menanyakan siapa yang tinggal di sini biar kita tahu siapa yang tinggal di sini. Who can help us? Ya bisa menolong dia. Siapa yang bisa menolong dia? Gitu. Ya tapi kenapa nggak kita aja yang menolongnya? Nah lanjut ya. Understanding what is to about things, action of activities. Atau what itu digunakan untuk menanyakan hal-hal atau tindakan atau aktivitas. Contoh yang spesifik yang diberikan, what is your tip? Well, what is your name? Siapa namamu? What is your tipe? Tipemu tuh kayak gimana? Seperti itu. Kita lanjut. Understanding where. Where is using to about place atau where itu kita menanyakan tentang tempat. Contoh yang membantu atau example, where are you from? Dari mana kamu? Gitu atau ya di mana tempat itu atau ya gitulah misalnya kan. Oke. Understanding when can also used as adverb to us about time. Ini ya kita menanyakan spesifik tentang waktu when. Ya seperti example, when is the meeting? Ya kapan kita meeting? Gitu. Ya kita menanyakan tentang waktunya kapan. You can do anything. Ya gitulah. Bingung jelasinnya ya pokoknya dia gitulah. Example of where. Contoh-contoh penggunaan where do you live, di mana kamu tinggal, where is the library, di mana library. Oke kita lanjut. Understanding when. Ya digunakan untuk menanyakan waktu. Example, when is your birthday? Kapan kamu berulang tahun? Atau turn switch off when what is it kapan tombol lampu atau tombol ini dimatikan, when uh, uh, your gym, ya kapan kamu waktunya gym, atau ya seperti itulah. Oke, lanjut. Example when. Oke, ini contoh-contohnya. When does the show start? Kapan kamu mau mulai? When will we achieve? Kapan kita achieve? When is the meeting? Kapan kita meeting? When is the next train to London? Ya, intinya kita kalau misalnya di sini ya kapan kita memulai atau kapan kita memulai sesuatu planning gitulah. Intinya seperti itu. Understanding why. Why itu digunakan untuk mempertanyakan alasan atau sebab, atau why is using to ask about reason. Example, contohnya, why are you studying English? Kenapa kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? Why? Kenapa? Oke, example of why. Why is used about reason. Itu why itu untuk menunjukkan bagaimana pergunaan atau why you studying English atau why it's weak, seperti kata-kata ini, when daily everyone business, ya gitu ya, kita harus menunjukkan cara lah why itu. How, understanding how is to ask about methods or condition, atau how itu digunakan untuk digunakan menanyakan metode atau kondisi gitulah. Contohnya memberikan pemahaman tentang penggunaannya, seperti example yang di sini, how do you cook this? Apakah kamu bisa memasak ini? Example how, contoh-contoh penggunaan how. How are you? How did you solve the problem? How would you like to have dinner on night? Or are you? How are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? How did solve the problem? Bagaimana kamu menanggapi problem ini? How would you like to dinner one night? Bagaimana kalau malam ini kita makan dinner di suatu malam gitu. Oke, lanjut. Combining question word atau menggabungkan question word. Combining question word can create more detailed question. Menunjukkan bagaimana kombinasi tanya dapat membuat pertanyaan lebih spesifik atau rinci. Example, how often do you visit and why? Ya, seperti itulah. practice activity. Try creating question with each question word. Latihan pertanyaan mendorong audiens untuk memperhatikan membuat pertanyaan dengan setiap perkataan saya. Ya. Tips for effective question. Tips untuk pertanyaan yang efektif. Vote frequent question and make them specific to get better answer. Memberikan saran untuk menghindari pertanyaan yang tidak jelas. Bagaimana membuat pertanyaan lebih spesifik. Summary question. What are key to effective question communication? Practice using them to improve your conversation. Menekan pentingnya question word dalam komunikasi yang efektif dan mendorong praktik untuk meningkatkan kemampuan bertanya. Intinya dari penjelasan ini semuanya membantu audiens untuk memahami setiap bagian presentasi dan bagaimana menerapkan dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Oke, thank you. Thank you buat nonton sampai akhir. Terima kasih. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.